UniTrentoApp is the official mobile app of the University of Trento. It is available for iOS and Android, with functions that are constantly updated to allow students to access different services and content in a more immediate way. In order to start using UniTrentoApp, you can download it from Apple Store, Google Play, or App Gallery and access it by entering the usual university credentials, username and password. The main page of the app is customizable with widgets for the practical display of the content of your choice. To insert the widget you want, just click the button Customize this page and tick the star of the selected content. For example, in this case, I select today's classes, study rooms, exam results, and lunch card. Once you return to the main page, this content will be quickly available to be displayed every time you open the app. The student e-card is the digital recognition card that attests to your status as a student of the University of Trento. You can use it by scanning the QR code shown in this section at any time you need to ascertain your affiliation with the university, for example, during exams, for delivery of documents, or museum discounts. The student e-card is only visible to students in good standing with taxes and with their photo already validated. By opening the student record section, you can consult your exam transcripts. You can have additional information by clicking on the exam of your choice. Furthermore, you can read the syllabus of the chosen course by clicking on the button Syllabus at the top right of the screen. In the Statistics section, you can quickly view your arithmetic and weighted average grade, the number of credits achieved over the total required, and your past activities. This last information and the column chart of the exam results can only be viewed on the app, while information regarding any partial tests can only be viewed in the Student Record section in S3. In the section Registrations Results, you can consult your registrations for exams, both recent and archived, and results of your most recent exams. It is now possible to register for any final or partial exam using the app, but you can still use it to cancel registrations already made in S3. This section shows your monthly, weekly, or daily classes timetable. In order to add the course's lessons of your choice to your timetable, you have to select each course by ticking the star after searching for it in the Courses section. For instance, if you're interested in the course Comunicazione delle Scienze in the departments of Mathematics and Physics, you have to select your course of study, so in this case, Mathematics, then the year the course is supposed to be in, and finally find the course of interest in the list shown, so Comunicazione delle Scienze. By clicking on the course name, you can view the full lesson schedule. And by ticking the star and going back to the timetable section, you will see the course you chose among the others. All your selected courses are in the Favorites section. Additionally, you can sync this timetable with a private calendar by following the instructions on the UniTrentoApp online page. In this section, you can see the status of the workplace health and safety training courses that you have passed. If you haven't passed any course yet, your screen will appear blank. Otherwise, the list of your past courses will appear with the date of completion and the possible expiration date of the certificate. In the section Room Availability, you can view the daily occupation of the rooms in any university building. You can quickly view your preferred rooms or building by selecting them in the Rooms section. And you'll be able to see them in the Favorites section.
Study rooms. In this section, you can view the list and timetables of the university libraries in Trento, Mesiano, Povo, Rovereto, and the Cavazzani study room, CLA or ex-CIAL. You can access the page that shows the weekly timetable of the library and the real-time occupation of the study rooms by selecting one of the libraries. In some circumstances or year periods, it may be necessary to reserve your seat. Therefore, it's always advisable to check the library website for more updated information. By selecting one or more libraries as you prefer, by ticking the star, if the widget Study Rooms is on, you'll be able to view them in the home page. Some libraries give you the possibility of reserving a group study room. By clicking the button Book the Room in the library page, you will be redirected to a Moodle page where you'll be able to make the reservation. Lunch card. In this section, you can view your current lunch card credit and your transaction history by year and month. The card has to be charged at the appropriate charging stations at the university canteens. For more information regarding food service, it is advised that you check the Opera Universitaria website. News events. In this section, you can rapidly access the latest news and events of the university or of a chosen department. By selecting the single department by ticking the star, you'll be able to view it among your favorites. By clicking on the news or the event of interest, you'll be redirected to the corresponding web page on the university website. Sport facilities. In this section, you can view the description and timetables of the various sport facilities that are affiliated to the University of Trento. Directory. In this section, you can check notices, office hours, thesis proposals, and information regarding professors, PhD students, and permanent staff of the University of Trento. By searching a name in the search box, you'll be able to select it by ticking the star, and therefore to add it to your favorites. The same information is on People website in extended form.
Is there an inconsistency between the information on UniTrentoApp and S3? It will be good to directly check in your reserved area on the website. If the information is incorrect there too, then it's advisable to contact the student support of your department. It's recommended to visit the Service Desk portal. More info and useful links in the video caption.